Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the video. And this video I'm going to draw a dragon with some treasure. So it's gonna be super easy to draw. So it's gonna be a very long video. So I'll make the part of this video. So thank you, and let's get started with this drawing. Okay. So first of all, the treasure, like this golden coin. So it's some kind of yellow color coin. Every single coin will be yellow color. So it's there in this picture there's so much details, as you can see. The dragon itself, the soldier, the coin, tree, everything. Okay, so let's get started with this. This is it. Okay, and also here also another coin is here. It's maybe the treasure, the cave of a treasure, and this dragon is the guardian of this all of this treasure. Okay, and now let's put some details on this little box with some pencil color, just like this, adding some detailing like this. Okay, just like it's an old mysterious box, just like this. And it's also full of treasure, you know. And now let's make some orange color, some kind of yellow color, all of the here, and make some more space for yellow color, just like this. So look, okay. Okay, as you can see, it's already looks so nice. Let's go and let's see what it look like when it's all done. Okay, in this video I think it will take so much time. As you can see, I'm putting so much effort on this video. Okay, and also here every single detailing you can notice here. Okay, so let's just draw and nice and steady, and just simply draw. And be careful when you are drawing with this so much detailing on a picture. Be careful with the draw line, because if you mess up with the draw line, your whole entire drawing can be mess up. Okay, be careful when you are drawing. As you can see in this picture, it has so much detailing. Okay, let me draw here. Okay, so this is it, and now as you can see, it's the golden area of it's here. It's done, and now let's color this little warrior precious head flower, just like this, and it will be red color, and I don't know why. Okay, and now let's draw and be like this and this. okay, it's already 5 minutes done, so I think the first part will be end here, and see you in the next video. Okay, so this is it for the first video. Hope you guys enjoy, and see you in the next part. See ya.